Welcome guys to my tech channel. In today's video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing virtual keyboard. First of all, what does the word virtual mean? From the dictionary, the word virtual means something which is not physical but is made out of software to imitate something which is physical. So this virtual keyboard can also be called a mobile projection keyboard, and it can work on your smartphone, tablet, laptop or desktop. Now let's open the box and see what's inside. This thing is fairly small. It's almost the size of a dome or a memory stick. It uses Bluetooth technology to interface with other devices, and a projection technology to beam a software-based QWERTY keyboard on a flat surface. So this is the switch that is used to power it on. There is also a USB cable for charging the gadget. Connecting the virtual keyboard to your smartphone is a simple and straightforward process. First of all, you turn it on, and secondly, you turn Bluetooth on your smartphone, then you set the device and you connect. You can also connect the virtual keyboard to your computer, and the process is the same as on the smartphone. If you find your smartphone keyboard too small and inconvenient for you to type, or if you want to appear futuristic, this mobile projection keyboard is for you. If you are interested in this mobile projection keyboard, you can get it on Amazon, and I have also included the link in the description below. So thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel.